happy with the outcome and the support that people have been giving the first two branches, and hopefully the Masinag branch will be supported by the Marikina and Antipolo Inasal lovers.
So, bakit inasal yung business na lang?
Oh, bakit Inasal? I love Inasal. I mean, who doesn't love Inasal? It's one of our go-to meals as well. And besides that, no, the story came across because the story started when I came across the Inasal of Derek Richard Somes. No? So this is Derek Richard's childhood family recipe na natikman namin when we did the movie Toba in the middle of the set. Such a simple story. Sabi, nag-serve siya and I just ate dinner. Kaka-dinner ko lang. Sabi niya, "Hoy, kain kayo." Sabi ko, "Direk, okay lang po." Sabi ko, "Kain ko lang po." Sabi niya, niluto ko, inihiyaw kay Derek Richards. Kinain ko po yung inasal. And then, I saw everyone's reaction and I was also, really impressed. No? Sabi ko, sobrang sarap nito. And I just said, "Direk, paano kung gawin natin itong negosyo?" And then he said, "Oh ba?" And then the rest was history. As in, it was like on go and everything, just because we really do believe in the product. We really do believe that we can give out authentic inasal to people, no? In each and every city. And we're slowly crawling to doing that. And hopefully by end of next year, we're up to at least 15 to 20 branches. Hopefully. So,
Alam mo yung mga Pinoy mahilig sa inasal, no?
Opo.
What makes your restaurant different from the others?
Oh, number one, the way we created it, it was curated. We always work towards artists, no? Definitely with this branch, given that it's a bit smaller than the Tomas Morato one that we have. Ito po, what we did was, we concentrated on one artist alone, which is who's our partner, Direk Richard Somes, and he really created a whole new art here compared to what we have. Because we really wanted to differentiate yung locations by giving people a different vibe of art and collating it and curating it in the locations as well. And what else made it different is, I guess, the taste itself. No? To be honest, iba-iba naman yung timpla ng inasal. But this one, I'm sure this is my taste. Definitely, this is authentic to me because, I've also traveled to Bacolod. I also have relatives and cousins in Bacolod. So definitely, I do know the taste of authentic inasal. I'm aware. And definitely, this is one of the closest we can get in the metro. So,
Marjo, marami kang ginagawa House of Representative, tapos
Yes.
active how do you juggle the time because gano'n ka ka-hands-on?
We're all hands-on, I guess, no? Pero our partners, Ivan is one of course, the operational manager as well. But how do I juggle the time? Definitely, time management is the key. Yeah, but it's very hard for now. But right now, I'm not shooting. So how do I juggle it? Definitely, I shoot during breaks because obviously we have breaks naman from sa Congress because just naman like starting this Wednesday, it's our last day for budget hearing. And yun po. So during breaks, I do the shoots. And once pagkatapos po ng break, I go back to Congress and district work as well. So,
Last question ko din nila, top 3 recommendations mo na lang sa mga first-time visitors, mga 3 recommendations.
oh, sa menu po, of course the chicken, number one. Depende po kung gusto ng tao, no? But I'm more of kasi mas malasa din siya, of course, because it's less thicker of a chicken. Of a portion, sorry. And inasal, flakes, and liempo. Those are my top 3 choices for now. So, yeah. Thank you.
May any specials? Unlimited specials.
Sorry?
Only rice.
May only rice naman. Yes, we have only rice. And we have dynamite. The inasal flakes that we're offering, and I just said, the inasal flakes po is the first of its kind in any inasal, which is really pure chicken breast. And inasal style, no? Pero mas malambot siya. But you have an option of having it fried as well. So, of course, para maglabas na parang adobo flakes. But, of course, in a chicken inasal way.
But just venturing into business. Kahit sa public office ka, medyo busy.
Yeah, definitely. I do business at night after it. I have to do during the day, during our free times. I always say I'm learning a lot about business. I'm learning a lot about the food industry, and I really want to grow into it. I want to learn more about and traveling and learning more about this new restaurants coming around Quezon City and other cities, no, like mga degustasyon, all these tasting menus. Not only that, all these new fusions, Filipino fusion food. You know, it inspires me to create something, you know, that Filipinos should look forward to and go back to. And definitely, I'm starting here with Inasal Republic as to why did they enter Inasal industry. It's not just because it's a big industry, but because, of course, I trust the product as well. You know, as I said, I won't jump into something if I don't trust it in the first place, just like anybody else. So,
Tapos naman ka na, this is also the reason why hindi ka na rin tuloy sa ibang I know nag-develop ka na sa ibang
yeah. But to be honest, of course, what should I say? I really want to do it. I really feel bad not doing it, but of course I have commitments and priorities to do. I have we have the district to take care of. I don't want to be half-hearted doing this project, and this is one also of the reasons expanding Inasal and all the other businesses that we're starting up and already doing. So definitely, I'm very much just trying to juggle up all the schedule and all this is yeah, this is actually one of the reasons why. And some priorities that I have for the rest of the year.
Because your wife made also involved sa business mo or are you guys?
Oh, yeah, she is. She's very supportive. Especially pag may, of course, meron siyang interest sa naluto or let's say, you have bad days, no? Of course, a restaurant, there's no perfect restaurant. No? You will always have something wrong. I guess it's one of the things that you always have to avoid, no? And that's what we're trying to be keen on, no? That to be able to really serve the best that we can. And she's at the point na, you know, she judges, of course, and I, of course, receive it in a good way because obviously she can be as honest as she can be, and I really appreciate the decisions as well towards what we have and what we can improve on, because again, it's a work in progress, no? And I would always want to develop meals in a year, you know, to be more innovative in a way that, you know, you get to create meals in Asal like what we did in the Dynamite. Sorry, I'm speaking. But just one example in the Dynamite, but it has Inasal flakes inside, right? So all these things that we're trying to curate, even hopefully tacos along the line that we're trying to come up with along this year, maybe by December, so that we can give out, you know, Inasal, but in a fusion, I don't know, creative way, you know.